for me, kabataan ko dati, be proud of who you are. Siyempre, dati natatakot ka pa niyan, di ba? Natatakot ka pa to reveal yourself. So, for me, I am happy na naging ganito ako. So, ilaban mo lang yan, mag-practice ka lang ng makeup and ma-achieve mo to. Slay. Thank you.
Life is too short, so don't push yourself and do something that makes you better and do something that makes you feel yourself. So look at me right now. I'm your new crown Miss Pride U 2025. So I do my very best to leave my comfort zone just to be in here, and I'm happy and proud of myself. So to my younger self, be happy and don't push yourself.
Siguro sa akin, wag siyang matatakot kasi tanggap siya ng magulang niya, tsaka ng grandparents niya, ng lolo tsaka lola niya po. Kasi nung bata po ako parang, hindi din po ako sure that time kasi parang, alam mo yon yung hindi ka sure sa sexuality mo, nagugulahan ka pa. Pero ang masasabi ko lang sa kanya is, tanggap ka nila.
My message to my younger self is to be brave and stay focused and be strong.
Express yourself, huwag kang matakot na na ipakita kung ano yung natatangi mong galing sa sarili mo.
Just be yourself and be confident and be strong what you are.
Sabi ko lang sa kanya, no matter how hard life is, no matter how hard the journey is, keep fighting, keep moving, and keep believing in yourself. That's all. And keep appreciate yourself.
Sana when you grow up, and up until now, hindi ka na maging takot mag-risk. Lalo na mag-express ng feelings and your thoughts.
I'm proud of my younger self because he did not give up. Hindi niya sinukuan ng buhay. He chose to continue. And yeah, siguro kung hindi niya kinontinue yung buhay niya, I wouldn't have met him. Diba? I wouldn't be this happy right now. So yeah, thank you for not giving up.